Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this miserable Sunday morning. Well, it is here in the Midlands anyway. It has been pissing down for the last couple of hours. Alright, what do we have today? Well, as you may have seen on a previous video, I won Real Taiter's giveaway. I won the pizza and pick set and this Sesamee 533. I've had it open twice now. That's picking in hand. I can't really pick in hand on a video, so we're gonna vice it up. I've learned that this oversets really easily, so we'll see how it goes really. I'm hoping to be able to pick it with the picks that I won. Just show you it working. There's a bitting on the key. It's okay bitting. It's not too bad at all. Good old click. Alright, let's have a good old gem. And top of the keyway tensioner. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, the house isn't so quiet this morning. We have kids back and I have two puppies literally at my feet. They have been fighting, so I apologise in advance for the noise and we'll see how we go. Alright, nothing on one. Little click and a tiny bit of movement on two. Little click out of three. Four's very tight. Little click out of five. No, that's overset. Excuse me. Start again. Nothing on one. Nothing on two now. Click out of three. I think I skipped two last time. Click out of four. Tiny click out of five. Was that a click or was that me falling off? Let's come back down. Click out of two, come back to one. One feels just slow and sluggish. Let that fall. As I say, for some reason this lock really is so easy to overset. If we manage to get it open, I will gut it so we can have a good look inside. It's very similar to an American lock in some ways, keyway and such. Everything seems to have gone tight now. Oh, got a little click out of one there. And there we go, and we're open. Not a bad little pick. As I say, the first time I picked it took a whole lot longer. Then the second time a little bit shorter. I think that was probably the fastest I've done it so far. Let's get a tray. Change the angle a bit. This is a cracking looking lock. It's just off my sticky pads on the vice. Do have a key, so we can open it up. I've not prepared myself for gutting this. What have we got? These tiny cores do make me laugh. Tiny things. Yeah, people who do challenge locks out of these, they deserve a medal, working with them tiny pins. What we got here? We need a fallout. Yeah, we have one of those. See about getting the clip off. I always have to be extra careful with these tiny clips because I don't want to lose it because I don't have any spares. Which usually results in me jamming it in my finger. There we go. Did get my finger a little bit, but hey ho. Are we going to shim it? I do have some small shims somewhere. There we go. Probably don't need to, but you never know. It's 5-pinner, room for 6. You can see some countermilling on the core already. Pretty much all needed to be picked. That one, that's why it was such a tiny click. That explains that. Yeah, needed a tiny little lift, but that was it. Right, I shall dump these out and see if we can get a zoom in. 1, 2, 3, all serrated, apart from number 1 by the looks of it. Yep. That core, I don't know if you can see that. There's a little lip, a little bit of countermilling to work in conjunction with those serrated pins, serrated key pins at least. Little steel one in number 1. As I say, I'll show you all those in a moment. What was the front? That was the front, wasn't it? Completely not set. Oh, there we go. Here's my tweezers. To be honest, I didn't think I'd get to the end of this video. I thought either kids or dogs would disturb me. There's a steel standard in number 1. Get the springs out afterwards, they're going to be all the same. It's a stock lock. Little spool in number 2. That might explain the oversetting a bit. It's one of those tapered top sort of barrel-y pins. If you can see that. They make it overset basically very easily. We'll go from the back now. Another spool. And another spool. So yeah, not a bad little lock that. I mean, that did open up fairly easy this time, but trust me, the first time I did it, it wasn't as easy as all that. You'd have to learn it a little bit. All standard copper, very tiny little springs. Arrange that a bit and then see if we can get a close up. I have to go extra close today because these are tiny. we go. All serrated key pins apart from number 1, which is steel. Steel standard at the top, all spools, and that barrel thing. Yeah, cracking little lock. Thank you very much, Real Taiter, for the giveaway. Picked it with the Peters and Gem that I also won. Oh, I'm forgetting I'm zoomed in now. I do apologise. Right, thank you all very much. Another one bites the dust. I shall see you all soon.